Oh wow, this is a heavenly paradise.
Somebody is going to be so lucky to live here.
It's so secluded and private.
Yeah, if someone's tired of the hustle and bustle of city life, this is going to be a great place to land.
Absolutely.
If you want to become a farmer, a cowboy, or anything country, this place has everything you need.
Be a great place to have coffee in the morning and just relax in the evening with a glass of wine.
It sure would. The only sounds out here are the sheep, the cows, the chickens, and a tractor and a distant train somewhere far away. Wow, it's so cool out here. You wouldn't even know it's 100 degrees outside with all these shade trees.
Wow, look at all these fruit and nut trees. You could make a host of goodies.
Wow, this place is amazing. You've worked so hard. Have you enjoyed living here, Bob?
We really have. The sunsets out here are really pretty awesome in the afternoons too.
Wow, that's an incredible barn. How old is it?
It's over 100 years old. We restored it when we first moved out here.
Livestock are you selling with the property?
Whatever someone might want. We've got sheep and cattle here.
How many livestock do you have here?
Well, we've got about 50 head of sheep and 45 cows, Dexter cows and Katahdin sheep.
Okay, so we're in the workshop now of this amazing property, and Bob is here in the kitchen. This kitchen is air conditioned, and this is where you do your canning?
Do canning, make wine and can, beans and applesauce and whatnot.
You have everything here just like a normal kitchen.
Hot water stove, everything you need.
Wow, and there's a freezer in here, for heaven's sake. And this shop's amazing too. Wow, how many square feet is in the shop, or how tall is it, or tell me a little bit about it?
About 30 by 40 feet.
Okay.
And it's extra tall because the guy that had the place before we did had a harvester he brought in here.
Harvester.
Yeah.
Wow, there's a lot here. So do you ever come down here fishing much, Bob?
Too busy. That's part of the scaling down.
Right.
A little bit so we'll have time to fish and do more canoeing.
Yeah, this is a nice pond.
You don't hire anybody to help you with this maintain the
Do it
land
all by
at
myself.
Wow.
How many rolls of hay will come out of this field?
It depends on the year. I got about a dozen out of here this year. But that's after the cattle grazed.
what I think is so neat about this place is how many pastures do you actually have? Do you have 3? Is this 3 pastures or 2?
Actually, we've got 5.
5. So if you needed to keep cows and horses or your livestock off of a pasture to do hay,
We rotate them.
wow,
Yeah, we rotate them around.
that's so neat. That's so neat to be able to do that. So you've done so much work here and this place is amazing. Are you sad to move, Bob?
Yeah, we really kind of are, but our kids have all moved away, and we've got one daughter that lives with her family in Missouri, in the Ozarks, and our oldest daughter and our son live in Texas. So we figure if we move to the Ozarks, we're with one set of kids, and we're, instead of 23 hours away from the others, we're only 10. So that's a doable thing.
Bob, this is a nice facility. What do you have here? A 6-stall horse barn here?
6 stalls set up there 12 by 12 with rubber mats, and we left room here on the right-hand side of the barn to put 3 more stalls in and a wash pit. My son is the equestrian, and he moved to Texas to do cutting horses, so I got a barn and no horses in it right now.
Wow, you got a restroom here. And take me into this, what is this, a tack room?
Tack room, yeah.
Wow, this is really nice. And it's like, is it air conditioned?
It was until I took the air conditioner up to the food room. It's got a spot here for a window air conditioner.
Oh, perfect, okay. And you got a refrigerator in here and like almost a little mini kitchenette. And wow, there's a lot of room in here to store a lot of tack.
The game plan was we were going to board horses, and this was going to be, the mamas would hang out while the little girls were out riding horses.